Another way, I told you, you can draw your crossy road. How do we do it? Go to your backdrop and select paint option. When you select paint option, again it will open here only. Now to draw it yourself, you choose the square. Fill color is whatever color you choose, will that square or rectangle will be that color. So suppose I want a gray color, you'll have to select a little bit black, and maybe you can play around with this color shade to make it gray. Okay, if I'm happy with this and I have already selected this, I can make a, okay, if I need an outline, I can take an outline, and I can even make a full gray first. Then if I want another color, oh, I just select something else. I go back to the square or the rectangle, change the color. Now you can see we have a red. So I will go back to this and I select the red which I want, or the color I want. So I'm okay with this color. I make another on red on the top. Now in my crossy road, I have another dark gray at the bottom. Again, you can choose whatever color you want. You want to go with black, you want to go with a little bluish shade, that's your choice. You can make a road. Then you select your line. Outline is what is going to come. So you can choose again, you want to put a what color line. And then you just draw it. This is not visible because its outline is 1. You can make it a little thicker. But I'm not happy the color is not visible, so might as well take something dark. And if I did not want this, then I can use this undo button to remove what I had added. So I undid what I didn't want. Now I want to add the lines, then I can just draw them to make it look like a road. So this is the drawing part. Someone had asked how to draw. So this is, you can draw your backdrop. So you choose a paint. Whatever you're not happy with, you can use a undo button like you would do in say Excel and Word if you're using. And you can draw the road according to your wish. So that's my road. I'm happy with it. I can leave it. If you notice, this part is still not red or not blue. That means I need to extend it. Start looking nice. Then I just need to do, even when you see this is also shorter. That means I have not covered the entire screen. I just need to extend it. I'll just take it up. So I can select my gray thing and extend it. Take this up and go to the corner, extend this, shift it to cover it. I still want to shift it. That's covered. You can take it further up if you want. Okay. Same thing, you go to your blue part. Oops. Need to extend the cursor. And where is the blue? It's down. So I just need to extend that as well. It's not extended properly, so I go here and I extend it to cover the entire thing. Now I have more space to make more lines, so I could even extend these lines. I can drag them individually to a particular line so that I make some gaps for the 3 cars to travel. Again, it's up to me. I want 3 cars. Some of my students say I want only 2 cars. I'm happy with 2 cars. And it's not necessary that you add only the convertibles. There is an ice cream van, there is a food van, and different cars. You can even take those. So something like this is also fine. You can choose whichever you want. Then you place your cars accordingly. So we know how to add cars. Please send the link. Sorry, I just saw. I'll send the link. Scratch the link. You should know, right? How to delete a sprite? I will tell you. Spam in. Send the link. I have done. Can't you make a backdrop using dropper? What will you use for using a dropper? Then that is only for your color. So if you want a particular color, then yes, like say if I go to my rectangle, if I'm on my backdrop and I'm on my rectangle, I want a particular color for this, then I go to fill color. I can definitely take my dropper, pick a color, and pick a color from where I want over here in the drop, in my backdrop. So suppose I want a particular color from say this backdrop, then I can go take my dropper and take my dropper to this. Okay, I want this color, so I've got it. Then I go here and I make it. So that's possible. So you okay. Priyanshi, what about your projects you have shared? Can't make a and arrows and others. So we are using arrows to make the cat move, right? In the crossy road, we are using arrows only. Okay, no problem, Sanvi, if you created. Dhruvika, if I've written very good, that means I've seen your project. Priyanshi, I've opened your file. So I've opened your project. I will see it after the class. So everyone's project I've taken a copy. Okay. How to add a car? I'm coming to that. So that is your backdrop. Now to add a car, there's another question about arrows. I will show you the codes of the cat. You will know. So how we add a sprite? Same way. You just go to choose a sprite. You go here in the search. You look for car. These are the car options available: food truck, convertible 2, convertible, city bus. You can even add a truck. And there are 3, 4 options of truck. Even food truck, there is a pancake and hot dog, and I think that the other one is a taco. And Scratch Tools also has options: convertible and disconvertible. So there are 5 options for cars. You can pick anything if you want. Just manage to play around with the size because you don't want too big cars. So coming back to the cat, we already coded. So last class we learned how to add sound. We learned about broadcast, and that is why we were making this. We learned about sensing. So 3 things. I also taught you when you go to sensing, how do you add use this key space pressed. Correct? Using that key space pressed is how we are going to make our cat move up and down. So we had already coded this part. This part of the cat we have already coded. In fact, when I go down, there is right arrow and left arrow also be coded. So I am keeping this on for a while. I'll explain where did you to get what. So please do it fast so that the others don't have to wait. So this block you're all aware. We start with from events. Point in direction 90 because I want my cat to point in direction 90 when I start. Rotation style left right just to make sure it doesn't turn up and down. This is 5th block of motions, which is fixing the position of the cat whenever I press a green flag. Forever is in control. Look at the color of the block and you'll understand. This is matching with this. So forever is in control. Why do we use forever? Because every time I press this arrow, it should work. It should go right or left. Now inside an if block. So from control, you get an if block. Inside if block, you put this key. So where did we get this key? Arrow press. I told you the space key. When you click on space, you have these options. With all alphabets, all numbers, you have 4 arrows or any key. So we want to use 4 arrows to make our cat go right, make our cat go left, make our cat go up, and make our cat go down. So all 4 arrows we have coded. The same way, we have just duplicated these codes, except the point in direction will change. When you're going up, it is 0 degrees. When you're going down, it is 180 degrees. When you're going right, it is 90 degrees. When you're going left, it is minus 90 degrees. And like I have said earlier, this is y-axis and this is x-axis. So when you're going up, you're changing your y by 10. And when you're going down, you're changing your y by minus 10. That's your up arrow and your down arrow. Yeah, I'll just send the link. Okay, so you just duplicate after putting your if arrow, if then, and put that key for up arrow by getting it from sensing. Then point in direction is in motion. Change y by 10 is also in motion. Then next costume, because we want to show a cat actually walking. Yeah, I'm clearing this and we are scrolling a little down. We want to see the other two arrows, right arrow and left arrow. So this is how much we had coded. We can again duplicate these. This is the same, only down arrow. Like I said, down arrow is 180. Change, okay, sorry, we had already discussed down. Now we have to discuss left and right. So this is the same, left arrow, right arrow, left arrow. Right, I told you, is 90 degrees. Left is minus 90. And because this vertical line is x-axis, when we have to go right, it will change by 10. When it goes left, it will change by minus 10. Not necessarily 10. You want to make it slow, you can reduce the speed. If you want to make the cat move slowly, you can change this 10 to 5, 6. Or you want to make the cat run more, make it faster. So that is up to you.
Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows 3-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tutor and avail your courses at affordable prices.